I'm Mick from Ag Tyres Wheels, and I'm here with Haeusler in the City of Greater Bendigo. They've just purchased a brand new tractor, John Deere tractor, and they've fitted it with High Flotation tyres for looking after the sporting fields around Bendigo.
We look after approximately 70 sports fields, ranging from soccer to football, baseball. We also look after primary school ovals as well. We've been looking for a while to fit our tractors up with these high flotation tyres.
So they've been out and had a look at turf farms to see what was out there. They identified what they'd seen on the turf farms as something that they wanted.
So the tender from the City of Greater Bendigo came out for a 110 horsepower tractor, which is the one that we're supplied here with the tyres. So they had special requirements they needed for the tyres because they wanted the high flotation ones.
Which is a product that I've been using for the last 25 years. First introduced it into the country onto armour machines in early days, and now I've put the same product on race courses, cancel machinery. So anywhere where you need high flotation, where you don't want to compact the ground, this is the right tyre choice. We did have to adapt the package because the tractor's front to rear axle ratios weren't quite exactly what they needed to be to match what the Bendigo Cancer specified in their tender. So we had to change the front tyre size around a little bit and play around with brands a bit to get it to match. They wanted a tyre that could fit under 2400mm for road purposes, so it wasn't over width. They wanted to keep the machine up to the same height that it was to keep its road speed, so they can travel from oval to oval, but they also wanted a tyre on the machine that looked after the ground.
The end result is what we're looking for presentation-wise, and they'll also help us to improve the aesthetics of our grounds. We're not going to be ripping up surfaces. We can also, get onto our grounds when they're wet. Traditionally old style, we wouldn't be able to because they just leave wheel ruts.
With this package that they've put on the machine, obviously it's going to be able to run at lower pressures at 8 psi, which is only going to put around about 12 to 13 pounds per square inch in the ground, which is the same as what the average person puts into the ground when they're walking on the field.
From what we can see initially, we're not leaving any tyre marks. We're still able to do our normal turns. We're not leaving those scuffed up marks like our older sort of narrow, skinny tyres would have done in the past.
The key applications for this one here is turf farms, almond industry, race courses, cancel tractors, anything to do with ground care, lawn and turf. This is the right tyre choice. We are more than happy to work with machinery dealers across the country to put the right package on the machine to the right requirements.
Well, if we hadn't had Mick available to provide us with the options for the tyres, for the front ones and the rear ones, then we would have had to look elsewhere, and then we would have had extra freight and all that sort of stuff. Plus the time frames wouldn't have come together for us to meet the tender to get the business. It's great to have Ag Tyres Wheels locally here in Bendigo, someone that we can rely on to supply us with high quality tyres and wheel equipment when we need it.
Thanks Haeusler and Ag Tyres Wheels for fitting up our tractors. It'll be the first of many to come over the next few years.